can start now.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. Sir, you are live, sir, now.
So do I have to click here on the YouTube on the videos?
No, you can start directly, sir. Talk. You can talk directly.
How?
You are live now, sir. I can see you, sir.
Okay, then what do I do? I mean, do you have to address to them?
No, sir. No, sir. You directly start, sir.
All right.
Are you able to see the questions, sir?
I am not able to see the questions.
Okay, so the questions are given in the chat box. Maybe I can read it out to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Where are the questions? I want to read myself.
So in the chat box, just on the right of the video, you'll be able to see chat.
Omkar, okay, dear learners, welcome to the lab. And then Omkar, but this is only.
Yes, the
Yes, sir,
second message.
all questions coming there, sir, only. If you have any question from a forum, sir, you can start talking, sir.
All right. So welcome to this live interactive session on Galois theory. If anybody has any specific queries or questions, please let me know. I don't know. There are five watching now, but I don't have their questions.
There is one question which is asked by one
Which is
student.
that?
So Omkar Kakare has written it over there. Can you see the second message by Omkar? So in there is a question.
Is there an exact proof of there are no radical solution possible for the fifth degree onward polynomial equation? See, I don't know who asked this question, but I would Supratim, right? Supratim, can you hear me? Hello? I want to answer Supratim your question.
Sir, you can't see him. You only see our hands questions only, sir.
Yeah, but how do I answer? I mean, I want to ask him. You see, his question is there are no radical, is there an exact proof of there are no radical solution possible for fifth degree onward polynomial equation? Of course, there are examples we have given at the end of the course. The whole course, Galois theory, revolves around this question. And we have many examples where such a thing is not possible. And this one is only, there is no, I mean, proof means what? Some statement is false means you have to give counter examples. So does it, I mean, how do I mean, see, should be an interactive question. So they should also be able to talk. Sagar?
Yes, I am there. I am there.
You see, interactive means what? They ask questions and we reply to that.
Yes, this is not what we were also expecting. Last time it was a Google Meet where students were be able to join the meeting itself.
Yes.
And
So
this
now
is,
I don't know, I can't see them also, we cannot interact also. Now 7 are watching.
Supratim, if you can listen, you can keep chatting on the chat box so that we can have a feedback from your end as well.
Hello, Supratim. Bharti. Hello, Bharti is also there. Who is it from IIT Bombay? This on the
Studio, sir.
this. Omkar is there or Ravi?
Ravi, sir.
Ravi, how can it be interactive? Because we are not able to see the reactions of the students when we say.
Sir, you only see the questions from the YouTube, sir.
That I understand, Ravi, but when you say interactive, then whatever answer I give, I want to see whether they have understood or not.
That's the question, sir. Omkar the post, sir, na, sir. Supritim.
But then after which prerequisites I shall be able to understand this proof. And Sagar, I answered that this whole course centers around this question what Supratim is asking.
Yes.
And only at the end of the course, you will see the examples where there is no radical solution for degree 5 onwards.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes, that is true. Even I am not happy
So
that we are
what
not
is-
able to see the students. What is their reaction?
What is the See, mathematics cannot be interactive like that. I answer this question and they have understood. So last time it was better, no? It was which Zoom it was.
Yes, it was Zoom meeting and we shared the link with them. So the students were joining the meeting directly.
Yes. So even in Bangalore, this linear algebra will be like that.
Yes, yes, that is how it was last time, the linear algebra and Galois theory as well. Even Galois theory was a meeting link.
But why did IIT Bombay change this? Now at least in the chat box there is no other question. So how do we convey to them, ask questions? Omkar Kakade said the response sheet question session is recorded and he can watch later and ask if any doubt on the discussion forum. So I answered that question. Now it is recorded and he can watch that later. And if still doubt, you can ask in the next session. What else can I say? Now, are there any questions? Hello, Omkar or Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Please tell this to the IIT Bombay NPTEL people that this is not very effective.
Sir, there are Omkar and Bharti ji also there, sir. They.
I know, but I cannot talk to them. No, they can only write.
I'm calling, sir. You will wait 2 minutes, sir.
See, if they can understand by writing, then why do they need to attend even the course? Because everything is written in the books.
Yes, sir. Can you 1 minute? Give me 1 minute, sir. I will call the Bharti.
Sure. And now at least I am seeing also here on the video.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
If any no questions, sir, you can wind up now, sir.
We will wait for students to join
Yes.
for 5 minutes. If there are no questions, then we stop this session.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait for some time.
Yes,
If
sir.
anybody is asking question, then we will address to that. Otherwise, we will stop. Hello, Omkar, can you see how many students are there in the this session? No, please ask questions if you have any questions. Yes, Ravi, what do we do? There is no response.
We can stop now, sir.
Okay, then we will stop. But you please convey to the this one that this is the interaction should be both ways. Otherwise, we will waste time, and it will not be effective. At least for mathematics.
We'll talk to Bharti, sir.
Sagar,
Yes, sir.
you can mention in your wherever email. Somebody is asking. Okay, then we will stop.
Yes, yes.
Is it okay? We will stop.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Bharti.
I don't know. There are
Hello?
11 students who have registered for the
Yes, sir.
course. But
Shall we
Are
start?
there any students?
no, not on the live session. No one is there.
There are no student now. I see it. Okay, so but here it says 7 watching.
Out of the 5 are we only, no, sir.
Yeah, then what do we do? Shall we stop? Ravi,
Yes, sir.
shall we stop?
You can, sir.
Okay, okay then. Bye bye.
Wait, we have a student. We have a student here, sir.
One is
Hello.
there, sir.
We have a
One
student here.
is there.
Abhiram,
अरे मी तुला फोन करतो नंतर. मी नंतर फोन करतो.
we have a student.
Abhiram,
Abhiram.
Abhiram, do you have any question? Hello, Abhiram. No question that such, Abhiram says in the chat box.
Mhm. Okay, he is not able to keep up with the course. Yeah.
Any tips? Supratim, do you have any question? Supratim, your question I tried to answer earlier. What you are asking is some statement, if it is not true, that you can only give by one counter example. Supratim says he has written in Google form the previous day. I don't know where is that form.
It's the same question that he asked. That is what he meant to say.
Yes, but Sagar, you can when there is a possibility for these PMRF students, you can tell them this,
Yes, I'll tell her.
because this is the high point in the Galois theory course, and it should come at the end.
Yes.
Or anybody else has a question? Abhiram says no questions. He says he is not able to keep up with the course. Any tips? Sagar, do you have any tip?
Well, my strongly suggestion as well is that
But see, no, so far only 25 lectures, no, they are very simple ones.
yes. So, are you struggling with the basic notions of algebra? Because we only covered basic linear algebras and some simple ring theory. We haven't
Hello,
actually
Abhishek.
started.
Hello. Yeah, are you there? Are you there down? Yeah, you can come about 6 o'clock. Can you come? Okay, then you come in 15 minutes, no? Okay, fine. Fine. You come. Okay, thank you. Okay.
Supratim, my suggestions would be that the entire course of algebra actually lies in the definitions, examples, and non-examples. So upon each topic, if you are able to understand the definition clearly, get to understand what are the examples and what are the non-examples for the same concept, you would be able to understand the algebra better.
See, Abhiram, you are saying revising group and ring theory parallel. It's a little hard, but they are very simple. What is the revision? What we have done? We have not revised the group theory as such and ring theory as such. Whatever we needed for this course, only those concepts and examples, and then some theory. That is how we have developed. And there is enough motivation time to time in the lectures itself. And my suggestion is, please don't go on looking for the books and try to study there. You just concentrate on the lectures, lecture notes, you will do much better. Abhiram, where are you from? Supratim, where are you from? Abhiram, where are you from? I would like to know your background. Bits Pilani, so you are from a good place. And did you study group theory and ring theory earlier? This way it is very, very slow, Ravi. This conversation is very, very slow.
5-10 seconds delay, sir.
Supratim, where are you from? And what is your background? You please tell me that. Accordingly, I will suggest you how to study. You are from Belur Math, so that is a good place. You see, there is Supratim question, how to study algebra to learn properly. There is no definitive method that I can suggest you. It depends from person to person and subject to subject. So just concentrate on these lectures, and each and every word I have said or written in the notes, make sure that you understand. So these are the only two people who are talking, and that talking is also not very effective, I would say. Another thing I could, okay, I am doing MSc in mathematics, but our curriculum mostly related to differential equation and applied math, very, very little abstract math. But this course I started from the beginning. So that should not matter. No, Sagar, did we not start with the binary operation groups?
Yes, we have all the base. Like, it's a self-contained course. You don't even need any background to that extent, with ample examples. So
Hello, Divya Darshani. Sir, I have a question. Can we generalize all properties of integers for a polynomial? What do you mean, Divya? What do you mean by that all properties? The main concept what we have generalized is a division with algorithm, and division Euclidean algorithm. All that whatever we have done for integers, we can do it for polynomials with integer coefficients. Not only integer coefficient, any, in more generally, any unit factorization domain. Does it satisfy you, Divya? This exercise is not very effective, I would say, because if they are also on the video, then we can understand each other better.
yes.
So Supratim, you have studied BSc mathematics, and I didn't use any other prerequisite in this course at least. Divya Darshini says yes, sir. So Divya, do you have any other question? Okay, I will wait 2-3 minutes more, and otherwise we will close the session because this is not becoming very effective. Is that okay, Ravi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I would suggest next time, please call a Zoom meeting where everybody will be allowed to log in, and then we can conduct much better.
Okay, sir. I will talk to Bharti, sir. I will talk to Bharti.
The same WebEx link that we are currently on, right? Just share it with the students as well,
Yes.
so that we can have an interactive session and let that be recorded on the YouTube. That
Yeah.
won't be a problem.
And Bangalore session will be like that.
Yes, Bangalore would be on Zoom, sir. They have
Yeah.
sent the link to students.
Yeah, I know. Okay, then, Ravi, we should stop then.
Okay, sir. Now, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Sagar.
Okay, sir.
If anybody has a question which comes to you by email or any other means, you can forward to me.
Sure.
Okay, then, bye.